a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night.
Like a good neighbor. Like a good neighbor. Stand-ins don't have lines.
What is going on, guys? Justin, your OVO update, back again with another video, and today we are getting into the weekly update. Week number 2 here in 2021. We're getting another fire week. We got some Night Owl sound, we got Drake from State Farm, and we even have the OVO drop list early for you guys tonight. So with that all being said, guys, let's not waste any more time. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and let's hop straight into today's video. So kicking things off, we had the Super Bowl weekend last weekend, and Drake actually premiered in the State Farm commercial. This was absolutely unexpected, did not see this coming at all. Unfortunately, here in Canada, we don't have State Farm, or we don't even have the commercials that the States get, so I had to see it on Instagram. Shout out to Word on Road for that. But anyways, what a well thought out commercial. Definitely a funny commercial. Also check out the full knock to fit coming in here. The yellow tracksuit, the black puffer. Drake definitely hooked them up with that fit. Again, Drake with the CLB part in his hair. Drake has kept that part in his hair, I want to say, for a few months now, so CLB definitely still on the way. Here's a quick funny meme I saw on ktt2.com. Shout out to that site. I thought that was pretty funny. And as well as the Bottega Veneta, I hope I said that right, custom State Farm polo. Drake don't be rocking no Gildan blanks, no all style apparel, American apparel. Man's pulling up with the Bottega Veneta blanks. I know if that polo went into some sort of auction, or if they dropped the set, I know some of y'all would cop that. Don't even try and play me. But anyways, guys, let's keep it rolling. We have Topszn making a comeback. Shout out to OB. If you guys are new to the game, we had the OG Topszn X OVO collab, and apparently he's bringing it back in full effect. If you guys remember the songs 2 On, Thoughtful, Scheming Up, some absolute classic bangers. If you guys have not listened to those songs, definitely check them out on SoundCloud. But Topszn could be coming back in full effect very soon. Definitely would be dope to see a new song, or maybe even some Topszn merch. So let's keep it moving from one crew member to the next. We got Mark and Noel over at Night Owl Sound, bringing you guys another drop. I don't know if this is going to be Valentine's Day drop, but I sure hope so. So definitely stay on the lookout this weekend. We have a leaked image from Night Owl Sound. Mark posted this on his Instagram earlier this week. We got the 2 birds in black, and then the birds hanging in the roses. So will we see this on a hoodie or a t-shirt? Who knows, but definitely keep your eyes peeled and post it to OVO Update and Night Owl Sound, because this drop is going to be a sellout, as all their other drops are as well. Last year we had the hoodies. This year, maybe the white hoodie, or we'll get a reverse colorway on the black. Definitely curious to see what Mark is up to. So shout out to the boys over at Night Owl Sound. Also, Mark took to Instagram a custom pair of OVO Air Forces. Very cool. I know Complex Sneakers actually posted it, saying it was like maybe an official drop. Got a lot of people hyped up about it, but again, these are customs confirmed. Mark even commented under the OVO update photo that we posted earlier this week. So they are customs, but I am sure OVO Nike, they gotta have something coming up very soon, hopefully in 2021. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have the Heritage OVO collection featuring Donovan Bailey, coming up this Friday, tomorrow, February the 12th. So we have the Heritage collection. If you guys do not remember, we had the collection just like this with the gray t-shirt, the white t-shirt, and the black crew neck. We had that last summer, but we're getting more items to that. We got hoodies coming in multiple colorways, we have t-shirts, and I'm sure there's going to be a few more things that they didn't post coming up as well, so you're definitely going to have to stay posted to the Instagram for that one. But getting into detail, guys, we have the Made in Canada Heritage designed crew neck to celebrate the Canadian icons. The hoodie is 400 GSM heavyweight fleece with a waffle thermal lined hood for Canadian winters. So that thermal hood, as you guys could see there from that photo, very nice, definitely going to keep you very warm. They have it in gray, red, black, and cream. Personally, if I was going to pick one up for myself, I'd definitely go towards that gray. That cream color is very nice. We definitely don't see OVO doing that a lot. Also, we do have a restock of the Heritage Owl crew neck. If you did miss out on that last year, you can get it again tomorrow. If you guys did enjoy the video, I want you guys to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. If you are not already, we're going to be doing this every single week. We're going to keep you guys updated with the latest Drake news, Night Owl Sound, Topszn, anything major going on within the OVO Drake community, CLB, you're gonna hear it here first every single week, Thursday night. So definitely stay posted to the YouTube channel. I appreciate all the support on the last video, almost 2,000 views. So thank you guys. Alright, so for the gang that stuck around for the entire video, I want to pick some of you guys from the comments down below. So comment below, leave your Instagram, and I'm going to give you guys some of the brand new 2021 update stickers, as well as the OG set as well. So comment some fire emojis, team update, leave your Instagram handle. So with that all being said, guys, like, comment, and subscribe down below. The next video will be a $2,000 OVO haul unboxing, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.